Hi everybody, how you guys doing? It's Yvonne here, and today I'd like to show you guys how to make this really sweet background. I'm concentrating on the back panel here, front panel I should say, and how this one here has like a sweater effect on it, where this one here has flowers, and it just with sparkles, it just makes the front of the card so stinking sweet, so easy to make, and a little different. Pardon me. Let me show you how I did that. I took a piece of cardstock. I'm going to show you two ways. I took a piece of cardstock and I took adhesive. Now adhesive, I have a roll this wide. It happened to be the same, almost the same size. But you could use, if you have a Xyron, you could use the Xyron and with the adhesive, but just don't peel off the what protects the adhesive. Not yet, until you run it through your Big Shot. Or you could use sheets like this, which is basically the same as your Xyron, except it's 8.5 by 11 sheets. Or you could even use small pieces like this of two-sided tapes. It really doesn't matter. Now, what I did is I put it in, you can use whatever folder you have. I've done two different ones there, but in order to make this video, I used the Stampin' Up! I don't know, it looks like a brick or something, by Sizzix. And I did one positive and one negative. So my adhesive is on. What I mean by positive is I ran one way, took it off, and took another piece and ran it the opposite way. Okay, I ran one with the lines going in and one with the lines going out. Now I'll show you what I mean by that. Really, really simple. Just take your folder once your adhesive is on and use it. Now, this is where the fun begins. You know, it's all fun to me, but some is a little bit more fun, I think. Let me pull off this. Now, I don't know if you can see on camera what I mean by the positive and the negative. This would be a positive because all the bricks are coming out and all the lines are embedded inside. And this one here, oh, that's sticky stuff. And this one here will be the total opposite of that one there. As you can tell, these here, the lines are all popped out versus this one here. Can you see the difference? Now, this is where the magic comes around. Now, in order to do this, this is really sticky stuff. To do this, you could use the flakes, the gold flakes. It'll work just as well. Or you could use the full sheets like this. I just happen to have some sheets around here, and I'm going to show you how I do this. I'm just going to lay it on top, and I'm going to do both. If I can, there you go. Push this a little bit aside here. Your fingers can let go. Oh, I don't want. You wouldn't normally do two at a time anyway, but I'm trying to show you as much as I can on this. There you go. It's really not hard to make. It's just if you can get your fingers unstuck. I'm just going to simplify my life here. Come on, let go. Ah! There we go. There you go. Now I'm going to do it. I'm going to add one on top. I'm just going to rub it really good with your fingers. Nothing. Just to make sure that it's all adhered to a piece of cardstock. And when you pull it out, this is the magic. It is so cool. It is so cool. See the magic? And all the lines are not full of gold. It's just the outside. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this. And I'm going to pull it out. And look at the difference. This is only the bricks. And this is the bricks and the bars. Now, if I want to do something really cute with this, I'm going to take some sparkle because this is still sticky. Still sticky. So I'm going to take some sparkle. Not embossing, but when I say sparkle, I'm going to take some glitter. And as far as the glitter, you can take whichever glitter color that you want. In this particular instant, I'm going to try, nope, I'm going to stick with my glitter, my silver glitter. And I'm just going to pour it all over. Just like that. I'm just going to run my fingers over it. Like that. Flicker most of it off. Oh my goodness. This is so stinking nice. Take any brush. I'm just going to take this brush. I'm just going to rub off the excess. Oh wow. This is so cute. I don't know if you can tell. See? That is some friggin' cute. Now, I'm going to do the same thing with this one here. This one here should give me, I think, should give me a little bit of a different look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. First of all, this one here gives me a cleaner look, and that's the positive. What I mean by the positive is the bricks that are coming out. Now, I love this, but I truly love this. I don't know if you can tell. Let's see if I can see the difference. This one here versus this one here. This one here is as pretty, but is not as clean as this one here. I don't know if you can tell. But it's that easy. You know, you just take whatever you want. And if I had a piece of, let me pull out another little piece of cardstock just for entertainment-wise. And I got a little piece here. And I wanted to make a design. Now, these are only little two-way glue that you can buy at the dollar store. Okay? You could make a design, whichever one you wanted. Now, make sure that you burnish the glue right onto the cardstock. And if you wanted to, now I'm going to show you how this works with some gilt, some little gold gilt. All you would do is just rub it on. It gives it a different gold, I find. But it's still super, super nice. I'm just going to put the remainder in here. This is a little bit messier to work with than if that's an issue for you, than the full page of laminate pages. And then you just scoot out the remainder, what hasn't stuck to the glue. Like that. And you have yourself a line. So this is a little different gold than this, but still, look how pretty this is. If you wanted to create your own design just by adding double-sided tape. Now, you can also use glue to do this, but you'd have to let your glue dry until it's tacky. If it's tacky, you have it made, but if it's not tacky, you have a mess. So, anyway, I just wanted to show you guys these different methods in order, so you're not just stuck at layering with no fine design. If you want to make it store look like you bought it from the store, you can use your embossing folders and make something extremely pretty, extremely pretty. Now this one here, wouldn't it look cool with this as a background? Trim it down, bring it as a background, and put a Santa Claus on it as if he's climbing to go in the chimney, or a sleigh, or just anything at all. It would be so sweet, so easy to make. This is Yvonne, and I'm going to let you go for now, but I also want to announce that this will be my last video until the first of the year because everybody's getting busy with Christmas coming up and so forth. So I want to thank you all for 2020 giving me all the views that you have, given me. I appreciate that from the bottom of, more than you know, from the bottom of my heart. And I love making videos for you. I am not a professional at it by all means, but it is fun to make, and I love to see some of you use the ideas and develop more of your skills. And if you have the skill, just if it brings it back at the forefront, saying, "Oh, I remember doing that, but I haven't done it for so long," good. That's my output. My output is just to make people happy and share what I know in the world of craft. This is Yvonne. I want to wish you and your family and yours a very, very Merry Christmas and the best of New Year's, and make your wishes for the 2021 the best year ever. I'm going to leave you for now, but from my family to yours, ciao for now. Bye-bye.